This is the roofing tile machine. Now we will show you how to install this machine. So firstly, this machine, the whole production line will be like this. So this is the first part, the forming machine, the roofing tile forming machine. Then this is the second part. This is connected to the forming machine. This is the wheel mixer. Then this is another mixer. This is the main mixer. You need to make a platform. You need to make a foundation, concrete foundation like this. We will give you the design. We will give you the size of this foundation for you to make the foundation. This is the main mixer. The main mixer will be put on the main foundation. And then here, it is the climbing hopper for the raw materials. We will put the raw materials in this hopper, and then the raw material come to the pan mixer. This is the pan mixer. Then this pan mixer will mix the concrete like cement, sand, mix in this mixer, and then there is a gate. The gate will open. Then the raw materials come to the well mixer. The raw materials will mix again in the well mixer, and after that the raw materials come out to this weighing system. This one, it is a weighing system to give you the raw materials according to the ratio or according to the amount. This device is a weighing system to give you the raw materials. Then the raw materials come to the mold. Here come to the pallet. Then the mold will press the raw materials and then make a roofing tile. Then the roofing tile will come to this part, and then this part. Then you need to take the roofing tiles out from here, from this part. This is the whole process. Okay. Step 1, install the roofing tile forming machine. This is the central line of the machine. This central line and the central line on this central line here, the central line here, they should be the same. The central line of the machine and the central line of the layout design of your ground, they should be the same. This should be the same. This is the central line. So we just put the machine in the middle according to the central line. This is the central line. This is step 1. Okay.